Let's start the video off with a good evening. We've had a few days of peace and quiet. No filming. Well, I say no filming here. There's always filming, but there's been no peace to camera. Obviously heading for the whale watching, which we've now got booked for tomorrow. But we spent the weekend, 3 days, at a site in Moisallen. Can't quite tell you what it's called, how to pronounce it. Lovely site, spent some time canoeing, had a few nice walks, including one kind of like 11 o'clock to midnight walk, which goes up to a lovely lake, beautiful spot, lovely campsite, again beautiful spot. And then today we have driven up to where the whale watching starts, and we parked about 15 minutes away in a bit of a wild camp spot. And the midges, mozzies, whatever it is, they're going mad here tonight. Right, so yeah, I'll show you a little bit of footage of where we've been staying the last few days, and then I'll catch up with you in the morning.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous.
Right, we're just about to get on the boat to see if we can see if we can find any orcas and some sperm whales, maybe some minkies, pod of dolphins, any of that stuff. Absolutely glorious morning, really bright blue skies, really calm seas at the moment around here anyway, and that's the boat we're going on. Seagulls are noisy this morning, and there is a queue of people. It's quite an earner money-wise, I would say, for what they charge. Okay, right, hopefully get some footage on there.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
found them. Sperm whales, not the orcas, but the sperm whales. Got some great footage. Really good footage. Really pleased with that. What an experience. I think that's 4 sperm whales that we've seen today. One of them really close. We're hanging around for a bit longer because once they dive, they can dive for 45 minutes. We're hanging around to see if we can find some more. Hopefully find some orcas as well. That's what I really want, is the orcas. And then we're going to head for some islands to try and find some bird life, seals, etc. I think we saw 6 sperm whales in the end, and now we're heading back to some of the islands and see what other wildlife we can find. They supplied us with a nice bowl of vegetable soup and a bit of roll. We're just having a cope with it, and we're heading our way back. Oh, well, that was a really good day out. You'll see the videos and pictures of the eagles and the puffins. Can't believe there's that many white-tailed eagles. Awesome. Right, it's a mass exodus here now. We do need to get going pretty quick because one of the roads here, they're going to close tonight because we've got some work going on. So I'll speak to you later on. Well, I apologise, the evening kind of ran away with us somewhat, and I had a nice interesting evening editing these images. I hope today's video has been interesting for you. I hope these pictures and videos at the end of this video give you the feeling and the want and the need to give it a like, and if you don't subscribe and you'd like to, that would be great. So until next time, thanks for watching, bye for now.